Sewer camera inspection of 1161 North Everett. Cleanout is located at the front, just right of the stairs going up towards the front door. There's a white cap on it next to the tree. This is inside the cleanout, approximately just inside of it. Okay. Where's that hole that was in it? The top. Okay. If you look towards the top of the camera, you will see a hole where roots have grown in. We hydrojetted yesterday and removed all the roots. Another hole at the top of the pipe right here. This is at almost 2 feet into the cleanout. On the very top, you see the hole at the top. This is going towards the city main, going out to the street. Makes a turn here. Small offset. The bottom of the pipe right here at 9 feet. Yeah, back at the joint. There's a small chip in the pipe at the bottom of 10 feet. There's the right side of the pipe with a small crack on that side. This is the original clay line to the property. On the top, you will see a small hole at the top at 13 feet. And there's a small hole on the left of the pipe at 13.9. This is right where the joint is, okay. Another one right there. On the right side, there's a small chip in the clay line. It's not affecting the flow that high, but there is a chip, and see if the line does back up, sewage will leak into the ground there. Roots on the top where we hydrojetted yesterday. There is a small section of the top up there where the roots have come in. The bottom of the pipe right here at 28.3. The whole pipe here is cracked. The offset, the pipe is shifted right here. There's a crack on the right side of the pipe, and there's a crack on the bottom. And the whole pipe to the left has shifted. Small root intrusions at the top here. Pipe is cracked here on the left side. There's a hole in the left side of the pipe as well. We try to remove as much roots as possible. There is a few coming down at the top that are stragglers that are just stuck there. You can see the pipe cracked on the left side. There is a little water retaining in the line, which is not a big deal. The line is still flowing. That pipe has shifted. In order to fix that, we would have to dig out the street. Little offset where that pipe is shifted. Again, another hole up on the 2 holes on the left side there at 33.2. There are 2 holes up there. This can all be covered by installing a liner. A liner is a epoxy sleeve that goes into the pipe, and it gives you a new line inside of the pipe. For the most part, the line is functioning. Water is flowing with nothing stuck in the line. Everything is flowing through. At some point, this line will need some repairs. This is the original. Here's the saddle connection. As a homeowner, you are responsible for the whole connection from the city main back to the property. The saddle connection is, come back, right here is where you're considered your saddle connection. There is roots coming in the left side of the saddle connection. In order to do a full repair on this, we would have to excavate in the street to do a spot repair. That concludes the video inspection for 1161 North Everett.